Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we've got some cloudiness starting to increase as we go through the morning hours today. Also seeing some southeasterly breezes warming our temperatures up pretty quickly this morning. We fell to an overnight low temperature of 47 degrees early in the overnight period last night. Temperatures have warmed into the mid to upper 50s already this morning. You can see, looking at the surface analysis, we've got high pressure to the north and a stationary boundary off to our south that is going to slowly start to make its way to the north as a warm front today. Those southeasterly winds will bring some warmer conditions for us today, but really increase our temperatures as we go into the Thursday and Friday time frame, where we'll see high temperatures back into the 70s. Looking at our satellite radar composite, you can see some ground clutter on here. No actual precipitation though this morning, and these clouds really starting to fill in from the west. We're going to see an abundance of mid and upper level cloudiness as we go through the day today. We'll see some peaks of sunshine throughout the day today, but it will likely start to see some increasing clouds as we go into the afternoon and especially the evening hours tonight at the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. So looking at our current weather observation, we've got a scattered deck of clouds at 12,000 feet, broken deck of clouds at 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Those winds out of the southeast currently at 7 knots here on the main base. We are seeing some stronger winds on the island this morning with those maximum sustained winds right around 15 miles per hour with some higher gusts around 20 miles per hour at times. We're going to start to see those winds dying down a little bit as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours, as we'll see shortly here on our short-term forecast. Current temperature as of 8 a.m. is 58 degrees with a humidity of 81%. So taking a look at the next 24 hours, you can see those temperatures really rising pretty quickly as we go into the morning and afternoon hours, looking at a daytime high today of 69 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Again, most of that cloudiness will be in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. We will see a little bit of cloudiness start to invade the Wallops region this morning at around the 2,500 foot level, but predominantly we'll see mostly the mid and upper level cloudiness throughout the day today. Looking in the overnight hours tonight, we'll see a pretty mild evening with temperatures only dropping to around 59 degrees and seeing those temperatures up into the low 60s by the time we reach the 8 o'clock hour tomorrow morning. Our winds currently out of the southeast at 8 to 13 knots, gusting up to 17 knots. Again, we'll see those winds start to die down a bit as we go into the afternoon and evening hours, out of the southeast at 7 to 12 knots by this afternoon, then dying down to around 4 to 8 knots by midnight tonight, with those winds out of the south pretty light during the overnight hours. As we look ahead toward the forecast for Thursday and Friday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies. Once again on Thursday, we're going to see just a very slight chance of a few sprinkles during the morning hours. Really not looking like much of a chance at all, probably less than 10% of seeing some of those sprinkles during the morning hours. But all in all, a pretty nice day shaping up for Thursday with partly cloudy skies during the afternoon and a daytime high temperature of 74 degrees. Thursday night, looking at mostly cloudy and mild conditions, seeing that low temperature drop to around 57. And then for Friday, really looking at a beautiful day, partly cloudy and unseasonably warm with a daytime high of 76 degrees. That'll wrap it up for today's daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for a look at our extended forecast. Have a nice morning.